Hello, today we're just going to do a quick video on a small problem we've had with our inverter. We have the Heart Interface Freedom 10 on our 1997 Fleetwood Discovery, and I don't know if they are the same as the 15, the 20 and the 25, but on this one we had an issue with the fan. And basically what we had to do is replace the fan. What was happening is, I will insert a video clip in a second of the noise it was making. It was buzzing on for like 5 to 10 seconds and then buzzing off and then buzzing on for 5 to 10 seconds, and under further investigation it turned out to be the fan. Okay, so what we had to do was replace this fan that was sitting in the back of the inverter here. We unbolted it and took the cover off. All of the power is disconnected. This isn't connected to shore power or anything. So all the power is disconnected, and this is the noise the fan was making. So that small noise is what was creating all of the racket and all of the noise. And we are just put it on the bus so you guys can hear the awful noise it was making when it spun. That was the buzzing noise it would be making every 10 to 15 seconds. And yeah, it turned out to be that. And this is the fan here we bought from Altex for $16. As you can see, it's running real smooth, and we've just reconnected the wires. And this is the fan that we bought to replace it as well. So yeah, we're going to put this back together and hopefully everything will be running quiet and as it should be. So this is a closer look at the fan that we took off. It is a DC brushless fan, and there's the part number that the Freedom 10 has. And like I said, I'm not sure if the other inverters have the same fan, but I'm assuming they most likely do. What we did is we went to Altex, which is a PC store, because we looked at this and realised that it was just like a PC fan, which is a 2-wire fan. And this is the fan that we picked up. This is the part number of the new fan. And we just reattached the wires, and it's just clipped right in. What we did have to do though, for a tip, is they have these 4 holes on the corner right here. And this is where the fan actually clips into the inverter, and we had to just use a screwdriver. And on the other fan we had to just widen these holes a little bit just to get it to push in there a little easier, and it was still nice and snug, so it won't be going anywhere. So yes, those are the fans. Okay, so I don't know if you can hear that, but now the fan is running, and it's running consistently. You can feel the air blowing out here nice and cool, instead of it trying to click on and off all the time. It's just running consistently.